If your Spectrum internet suddenly stopped working, whether the Wi-Fi shows connected without internet, your modem lines are blinking or nothing loads, this video will walk you through the fastest and most effective fixes. So step number 1 is going to be checking the modem and router lights. So go to your modem first, and from there you want to see power solid indicator, online also, and status/US or DS not blinking continuously. If the online light is off or blinking for more than a minute, there's no signal from Spectrum's network. And also check the router, look for solid Wi-Fi or wireless lights. Then restart your equipment, unplug both the modem and the router from power, wait 60 seconds, plug the modem in first, and wait until all lights stabilize, then plug the router in. Also, you can open the My Spectrum app on your phone using mobile data, or go to Spectrum's website and check outage. If there's a known outage, your equipment won't go online until the service is restored. Also, forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi on your phone or computer. Open Wi-Fi settings, type your network name, choose forget, and reconnect and enter your password again. This clears bad authentication data that can cause connected without internet. Then, if you have a PC or laptop, connect it directly to the router with a Ethernet cable. If the wired connection works, the issue is with Wi-Fi, not the actual internet. And if wired also fails, the modem or signal is the problem. And these are the general fixes to fix Spectrum internet when it's not working. If this helped, check out our other quick troubleshooting guides here on the channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.